Man, this is pretty crazy for 215s, and you got some power. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
No boy, Malibu was my last song. I fucked her in rush hour traffic, just talking. She said, cause she fucked me with my diamond shine. If I ain't in the bank.
There they, oh wow, you got all that power, okay.
Go get some money or go spend some money.
I was wondering why it was so loud, dude.
They don't want you to live. They don't want you to buy. The pussy smile in your face. Yeah, then they pray for you to fall. Hey, young niggas stay focused. But I really wanna crash. Think about where you at. Then think about your past. Yeah, I really came for shit. But I won't change for shit. My bitch say I'm stuck in my ways. My wrist say I've been getting paid. 100 shots. 100 drops. My role model.
There we go. So what's your name? What's in here, man?
Well, my name is Sharon. I got 2 CB6 15s, 2 16s.
Before I talked to you and I heard it, I was like, man, this is pretty crazy for 215s, and you got some power. That is crazy, man. Wow. Are you happy with it? Yeah. Looks good. Who built the box?
27 Customs.
Okay. And then there's a port. Is there like a slot or airport on the side?
So I'll fire on side port.
Okay. Got it. So when I try to see the back, I kind of see the depth of the box, how big it is, the port location. So just opening the trunk helped me see all of that. So thank you for showing me, man. That was pretty cool. And are these amps strapped or gain matched?
Strapped.
Okay. 1 ohm or 2 ohm? Do you know?
1 ohm strapped.
Okay. So half ohm each. Oh, you're putting all the power. Okay. Any SPL test on it?
Not yet. Not yet.
You happy with it?
Doing all right. Doing all right so far.
Okay. And what's in these doors, man?
The panel audio 10s, 3 10s and 2 horns.
You have 10s in here?
Yeah, 3 10s
Wow.
and 2 horns.
That's what that high range bass was. Okay, mid bass. Awesome, man. Appreciate it, man. Sounded good. Thanks for the info. The doors are real heavy.
Exotic smoke in my lungs, yeah. I really came out of those songs. I'm finna buy me a house with a pole, yeah. And I put the shit on my lungs, yeah. I think I was born with a gun. I'm a son of a bitch, you won. Versus bitch when I laugh at gets in my channel. just that bitch I do. I follow real hard, know what to do. Route, and never lose when before I jump into my hood. To a wild like sushi. Yeah. Still going dumb. Pistol Glock, them make it done. Yeah. Bitch, you make they call me Superman.
Sound good, dude. Thanks, man. Thanks for showing me. That's awesome. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop